Hello everyone, welcome back to Supremo classes. I hope you are safe and healthy. And in this video, I am discussing 51 most important MCQs on interpretation of statutes. And this video is very useful for your examination. So watch this video till end. And without wasting your time, let's begin the video. Interpretation has been derived from the Latin term interpretatory. First option is correct है. Which of the following is the meaning of interpretation? An act of discovering the true meaning of language which has been used in the statute. तो ये फर्स्ट ऑप्शन करेक्ट है. तो मीनिंग क्या होता है इंटरप्रिटेशन? एन एक्ट ऑफ डिस्कवरिंग द ट्रू मीनिंग ऑफ द लैंग्वेज विच हैज बीन यूज्ड इन द स्टैट्यूट्स. The necessity of interpretation would arise only where कहाँ ज़रूरत पड़ती है इंटरप्रिटेशन करने की? The language of the statutory provisions is ambiguous, not clear, or where two views are possible, or where the provisions gives a different meaning defeating the object of the statute. तो all the above option जो है एक correct है. Which of the following is the first and foremost step in the course of interpretation is to examine the language and literal meaning of the statute. Rule of literal interpretation, also known as plain meaning rule. The golden rule और गोल्डन रूल को और ब्रिटिश रूल भी कहा जाता है. गोल्डन रूल इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ स्टैट्यूटरी इंटरप्रिटेशन दैट अलाउज अ जज टू डिपार्ट फ्रॉम द वर्ड्स नॉर्मल मीनिंग इन ऑर्डर टू अवॉइड एन absurd result. When there is a conflict between two or more statutes or two or more parts of a statute, then the rule of harmonious construction needs to be adopted. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज इंटरनल ईड्स ऑफ इंटरप्रिटेशन. आप कंफ्यूज ना हो इसलिए मैंने एक साथ लिए हैं पूरे ऑप्शन. लॉन्ग टाइटल, प्रीएम्बल, हेडिंग्स, मार्जिनल नोट्स, पंक्चुएशन, इलुस्ट्रेशन, डेफिनेशन सेक्शन, प्रोविजो, एक्सप्लेनेशन. तो ये ऑल दी अबव जो ऑप्शंस है ये सभी इंटरनल ईड्स ऑफ इंटरप्रिटेशन है. Which of the following are external aids to construction? Parliamentary history, historical facts and surrounding circumstances, social, political and economic developments and scientific invention, reference to other statutes, dictionaries, judicial decisions. All the above जो options है external aids है for external aids to construction. मेरी जितनी भी इम्पोर्टेंट प्लेलिस्ट है उसकी लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दी है. इसमें एमसीक्यू सीरीज़ बनाई है, कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम के लिए क्विक रिवीजन सीरीज़ बनाई है, नेट, जेआरएफ और सेट के लिए भी स्पेशल सीरीज़ बनाई है, लैंडमार्क केस लॉ सीरीज़ बनाई है, जुडिशियल प्रिपरेशन सीरीज़ बनाई है. ऑल अदर जो मेरी इम्पोर्टेंट प्लेलिस्ट है उसकी लिंक मैंने आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दी है, जो आपके एग्ज़ाम के लिए बहुत ही यूज़फुल प्लेलिस्ट है. ये प्लीज़ वॉच दिस वीडियो. अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. अगर आप सब्सक्राइब करते हैं तो जब भी मेरा नया वीडियो अपलोड होगा उसकी नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल जाएगी. When there are two or more possible ways of interpreting a section or a word, the meaning which gives relief and protect. जो मीनिंग निकलता है रिलीफ के लिए एंड प्रोटेक्ट्स के लिए, the benefits which are purported to be given by legislation should be chosen. Rule of beneficial construction. Rule of beneficial construction. The doctrine of colorable legislation refers to question of competency of legislature. The statutes dealing with tax are termed as fiscal statutes. Operation of law means prospective operation of law, retrospective operation of law. Both the options are correct है. Both above options are correct. Who is final answer to interpret the Constitution? The Supreme Court. Where in an enactment there are two provisions which cannot be reconciled with each other, they should be so interpreted that if possible effect may be given to both. This is what known as, तो ये रूल ऑफ हार्मोनियस कंस्ट्रक्शन है. According Nociter Associ's rule of interpretation, meaning of words should be known from its accompany. Ignore associating words. Interpretation of statutes should not be given a meaning which would make redundant. According to primary rule, the words, phrase, sentences of the statutes are to be understood in natural, ordinary or popular and grammatical meaning unless such a construction leads to an absurdity or contents or object of the statute suggests a different meaning. Which of the following is an external aid for interpretation of statutes? Primary history, use of foreign decisions, historical background, all of the above. Which of the following is internal aid for interpretation of statutes? Long title, marginal notes, interpretation of clauses, all of the above. Long title sets out general term, the purpose of the act, and it often precedes the preamble. If you were looking for them earning of provision, the first place you would look is the definition section. Mischief rule was originated in Haddon's case in 1584. As per the rule of Nociter Associ's, meaning of words should be known from its accompany. Ignore associating words. Which of the following is remedial statutes? The Maternity Benefits Act 1961, the Workmen Compensation Act 1923, both are the remedial statutes. Which of the following are acceptable extrinsic material used in interpreting legislation? Parliamentary committee reports, dictionaries, notes on clauses of the bill. All the above options are correct है. Generally, penal laws are given strict interpretation. The mischief rule is rule of statutory interpretation that attempts to determine the legislator intention. Haddon's case deals with mischief rule. Preamble contain them and in object of the act. Haddon's case in 1584 was resolved by the barons of the Exchequer. In the interpretation of statutes, as an important role is played by schedule, preamble, headings. All the above are the important role play in the interpretation of statutes. Which of the following is internal aid for interpretation of statutes? Preamble. A statute has been defined as the will of the legislature. What is the doctrine of stare decisis? The doctrine of precedent. A statute may be interpreted by judges by using different rules. Which of the following is not rule of interpretation? जनरल रूल है जो इंटरप्रिटेशन का रूल नहीं है. गोल्डन रूल, लिटरल रूल, मिस्चिफ रूल, ये सभी इंटरप्रिटेशंस रूल है. What is meant by the statutory interpretation? The interpretation of a statute by the courts. What is statute? Is an aid in the interpretation of statutes, a General Clause Act 1897. What is meant by purposive approach? The judge must interpret the statute in the light of the purpose of its enactment. While applying the literal rule of interpretation, it is important to keep in mind the context. What is meant repeal of law, removal or reversal of law? According to the literal rule, the words of the statutes are to be given their plain and ordinary meaning. When may judges apply the golden rule? The golden rule is to be applied only where an absurdity and inconsistency created by the literal rule of interpretation. Rule of ejusdem generis is applicable when general word follows specific words. Which rule of statutory interpretation should be judges apply first? Literal rule. When may judges apply the mischief rule? When there is an ambiguity in the statutes. Under the golden rule, the words may be given a secondary meaning if applying the literal leads to absurdity. An interpretation of the Constitution of India is based on the spirit of preamble. Pith and substance is a legal doctrine in Indian and Canadian constitutional interpretation.